Hi everyone! So this is a walkthrough and review of the Samsung top load automatic washing machine, and the model of this thing is there, WA60H4000SG, and some numbers you can see there. So this is a 6 kilogram washing machine. And before I go to the features, let me show you how it's connected to the water. So this came with the unit, and this one I made a way to connect that using this hose, and it's connected to the faucet like this one. So it's a garden hose. Yeah, so that's how it's connected. And going back here, so quite important also is the drain. So the old one was broken already, so I replaced it with this one from the drain hose. And this is how it's connected to the drain like that. So there are two of them, one there, and I can connect more if I want to. So I just have to do is to connect some more fittings, another T. And this one is 1 inch in size, yeah, and it goes all the way to the drainage right there. So what I did is I put a ball valve. So the purpose of that is not really to isolate, but more like because rats sometimes would climb up to the drain and go here. So what you can do is you can limit it like so that they don't go through. So that's how the setup here. Yeah. Also, another very important thing is because the drain is not too low. So what I did is I put a mounting, yeah, like that. So I think about 6 inches or so there. It accomplishes two purposes. One is to elevate the washing machine so you could drain properly so that the water doesn't stay inside. The other one is to minimize corrosion, yeah, because it's actually made of metal, so moisture normally would sit at the bottom. So if you elevate it a little bit, it would minimize moisture and of course corrosion. So this washing machine is a bit old, so we bought this in 2016, so now it's 2022. It's almost 6 years old now, and the controls are quite intuitive. It's easy to operate them. So you have options to just turn it on. You have option to just do washing only, or do rinsing only, or the spinning only, and or you can do all, yeah. And in each of them you have several options. You can make it longer. So in this case, what I like about this washing machine is it can go up to 30 minutes, yeah. So normally the maximum of most washing machine can go on like 15-16 minutes. This one can go up to 30 minutes. I think that's the time, there's 30 minutes, yeah. And this one, we have another one here, and it goes only up to 15 minutes, so a lot shorter. So this one, it can go up to 30 minutes for the wash cycle, and you have also the rinse there. And you can do like 4 times, 5 times, or none. Yeah. And spinning as well, yeah, spin drying. And you can also adjust the water level. So looks like the two LEDs are already busted. And then you have also options here for, I think for this is just automatic, quick one for delicate, so for blanket. For heavy ones like jeans, this one is for maintenance, so eco-tab clean. It will take very long to clean the system. So yeah, this is actually our second unit of this similar unit. The one is, I think, 6.5 or 7 kilogram before, so this one is 8 kilogram, and it's been with us for almost 6 years. And yeah, that's inside there. So if you wanna do some maintenance, like you want to remove scales, because here in Manila, although we're using the National Waterworks, I mean, we call it Maynilad or Nawasa, but nonetheless the water is somewhat hard, so you get some scale deposit. So you can remove this, yeah, go over here, it's hard, yeah. And there's a screw there, you can, after you remove this, you remove this entire thing, and then you clean it. Yeah, so it's not that difficult. So we're planning to buy another one, and our plan is to stay with Samsung because we're quite happy with the performance of this. Although there are some things that we don't like, is for instance this filter here. The holes are so tiny. I don't know why Samsung made it so tiny. So that, as you can see there's no more holes. It's all plugged up. Yeah. If you want the comparison with this Sharp model, if I remove this, yeah, the holes are quite big, so it's easy to maintain. Yeah, so this is the Samsung 6 kilogram top load washing machine. The other things, guys, that I would like to point out for those that may be considering the front load type, they're, aside from they're more expensive, they're quite also sensitive to the type of soap. So in here, it's not sensitive. For the front load, normally they would require a the low SAD formulation of soap. This one doesn't matter, because if you use a high SAD, meaning the bubbles are high, it would have problem with the control of the front load machine. Unlike top load, it's okay, no problem. Although this one can be prone to tangling of clothes. So what my wife does is sometimes she uses like this one, yeah, put clothes inside there and put it inside. And then I think they have those balls. I don't see where it is now. Yeah, they small balls like that, like about that size, and they really help in what do you call that, in washing and preventing tangling. So for those who haven't had used the washing machine, automatic washing machine, what you do is you simply, it's just simple, this one, and all you need to do is put the dirty clothes in, just like that. Maybe some more. This is just for demo, by the way. And then you can put laundry soap. It could be liquid or powder. You actually have several options. You can put dump right through there, or you can put it inside here. It doesn't matter where you want to put it, it works. And then simply push it. Let's say we want that, and you want the lowest water level, so just push start, and it will go through the cycles. So the water will open, and then once it reaches the right level, it will start turning. And once the wash cycle is done, it will go into the rinse, depending on how many times you set. Maybe 1 time, 2 times. Normally we do it, we set at 3 rinsing, and then after that will be spin drying. Yeah, and then it will take about an hour or an hour 30 minutes, depending on your settings. And after that, yeah, you're good to go. Just hang your clothes for drying, and yeah, it's very straightforward. So the cost of this right now is, I have no idea, but it should be around 10 or 12,000 pesos. Yeah, or you just convert it into US dollars, whatever your currency is. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope this review of this Samsung has been very helpful to you. Bye.